folks, Chris, Kentucky Woodsman. Today we're starting part 6 of the off-grid cabin build. We're going to go up with some more trusses, and hopefully in this episode we will start stripping the trusses with the wood that will tie all the trusses together, and hopefully start going up with some roofing metal. Stay tuned, it's going to be a lot of fun. As you can see, all the trusses are in place. We're going to start nailing up the stripping that's going to go across the trusses to tie them all together, and try to get that done today. And got something else I want to show you here shortly. Okay, got this one side stripped. What'll happen is my metal roofing will come down, it'll rest on this, and you'll actually screw the roofing into these strips. And as you can see, it's tied everything in real nicely. Okay folks, we got all the stripping in. We are ready for roofing metal now. I've got some of it on site already. I'll have to go pick up some screws to attach it, but I do have some of the roofing metal already on site. It's really starting to take shape. And then this is the siding I wanted to tell you guys about. Now granted, it's not real wood, but I got such a good deal on it, I just couldn't pass it up. I got this for about a third of what the regular rough cut lumber siding would cost, and trying to save money wherever I can. I think I'm gonna be real happy with it. It looks like real wood, and once I stain it, it should look even more like real wood. So that's where we stand right now. We'll move forward tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hey folks, well, one last update before I close out this video. I'd planned on starting on installing the metal roofing on the off-grid cabin before I ended part 6, but due to some strong storms and heavy rains, everything is wet, everything is slick, and considering we have some more strong storms and rains in the forecast, I just didn't really want to get started on the roof right now. But the roofing metal is on site and ready to go. And I wanted to share one last thing with you guys before I closed out the video. I had some stuff gifted to me that has it's going to save me a ton of money on this project. You know, if you've ever built a house, you know all too well that windows and doors are very expensive. Well, I had a nice metal door. I've had 3 windows gifted to me. Now it will require me to change my rough openings a little bit, but not a whole lot. Just some very minor adjustments. But all these items were given to me, gifted to me, and this is really appreciated. It's going to save me a bunch of money. And on a project like this, something that you're building for fun, and you know, this isn't going to be a permanent dwelling, it's just going to be a camping and fun dwelling. You know, you need to save money wherever you can. So I am tickled to death to have these windows and doors given to me. Stick with me, folks. You saw where we was at earlier. I have got the insulation to go between the roofing metal. I've got the roofing metal, I've got the screws. It's just the weather forecast is lousy right now. I've got some other things planned this week that's going to keep me from proceeding any further with the project this week. But with any luck, we'll get started back next week and hopefully get the roof up. And with any luck, we'll start on these windows and doors. Folks, as always, I appreciate your support. I appreciate all you that watch this series on a regular basis. I appreciate all those that message me from time to time and ask, hey, where's the next part? We're looking forward to it. I never dreamed that building this cabin would generate so much interest. And I appreciate your support. I appreciate your subscriptions. I appreciate the views. And, you know, it means a lot to me. It really does. So thanks, everyone. And like I said, I'm wrapping up part 6. And we'll soon be on to part 7. Take care. Have a great week. And remember, get outside every chance you get. You only got so much time on this earth, so get out and enjoy it. Take care, everyone.